Hello and welcome to Canaveral National Seashore, Playlinda Beach out of Titusville, Florida. Today we're going to be running Tai Chi for Arthritis 1 and 2 from the front so you can see what my hands are doing and hopefully clearly hear the directions over the wind and the surf. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like our Facebook page, Beachside, QiGong, and Tai Chi. So let's get started. If you haven't already, shake out a little, loosen up, get ready to perform your form, and then come into stillness in a monkey stance. Ideally, toes to the corners, knees bent, feeling tall from the crown of the head. Take a few slow, deep breaths in stillness, relaxing and letting go. And then together we'll commence, raising the hands slowly, palm facing palm in front of shoulders. We bring them back in a little and let them sink as we settle the weight on the right foot. So the left foot can step in front, hands come into the belly. Hands rise as we shift weight to left foot, right foot to shoulder width as hands go in front. And then center weight, center hands, fingers to the sky. Make sure to breathe in as we open and out as we close. Single whip to the right, stand on left foot, face the corner, step out to the right corner. Shift weight to right foot a little and give a shove. Right hand stays still as we turn the waist, opening the left hand until we face the left corner. Then shift the weight to the left foot and bring in the right hand and foot. Right foot steps sideways, right hand up, left hand low. As we start, wave hands like clouds to the right. Left foot comes in just to shoulder width with no weight on it, and gradually shift the weight back to the left, feeling tall. Right foot takes a second side step, right hand up, left hand low. We gradually wave over to the right, and then the left foot subtly comes in, slightly left hand up as we wave back, weighting the left foot. Right foot takes a little side step towards the right wall, floats down, and then takes our weight as we wave back to the right for a third time. Left foot comes in towards the right wall, left hand up, and we wave back to the left for a third time. We return to center, palm facing palm. Make sure to breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you close. Single whip to the left. Stand on the right foot, face left corner. Step out with left foot and give a little push. Now open waist with right hand coming with you to face the right corner. Then stand on right leg to bring in left hand and foot. Left foot does a little side step. Left hand is up as we wave hands to the left. Gradually float down the right foot as right hand rises. Don't go too fast there. And gradually we wave back onto the right foot. So left foot can take second side step subtly towards the left wall as we wave towards the left. Right foot to shoulder width, just a tiny step. And we wave back to the right again. Our left foot takes a third side step, floating to the ground, and we gradually bring weight over to it as we wave to the left, and then right foot to shoulder width. We wave for a third time back to the right corner of our space, and return to center, palm facing palm, for another check-in with the breathing as we open and close. We start our extensions to the left, turning in an empty right foot. And then stand on the right foot holding a baby. Look to the left, step into a left bow stance. For brush knee to the left with a half step in. Step back into playing the loop, left hand in front. Left palm turns down, left foot takes weight as we extend right hand in a carry. Right foot floats in front as we flip hands. Left hand extends as we wait right foot. Left foot steps as we prepare to punch over the left forearm with a little half step in. Both fists open. We step back onto the right foot as hands round, and then we push. The empty right foot turns forward, takes our weight, and then the left foot comes back to forward for another open and close before extensions to the right. So stand on the right, bring in left foot. Hold the baby on the left hip, look to the right, step out in a brush knee to the right with a half step in. Right hand goes in front as left foot steps back to play the loop. Turn, right palm down. Extend left hand as you weight the right foot. Left foot steps while the hands flip over. And then shift weight, extending the right hand and carry. Right foot steps as we prepare to punch with a left fist over the right forearm. Half step in. Open those relaxed fists and embrace the tiger. But don't pull him on top of you. And then push the mountain. Turn the left foot forward. And then the right foot back to shoulder width for another open and close. And now we start part two. I'm going to step over so I'm more in the frame. We begin part two with brush knee to the right. Turning and empty left toes, right foot steps. We have a brush knee to the right. Leisurely tying pose. Right hand up, left foot back. Lower right hand, stand on left foot to bring in right foot and hand. Hand rises as right foot steps out. We extend the hand and step into a chop. Step back on the left foot, raise your right toes and circle only as far as the waist can take you in both directions before squaring up, step into a push. Left foot forward, right foot forward, open and close. And now stand on right foot for single width back. Step back with left foot. Shift weight left, push to the left corner, Dantian, turn and open right hand. Then, turn right elbow up, turning right toes. Stand on right foot for fist under elbow towards the left, so right hand in a fist. Right foot steps back as we prepare to repulse monkey, right hand up, left foot in a cat stance, step back behind us to brush the back wall. Put the right foot down and bring in the left toes with the left hand rising. Stand on left foot. Right foot steps forward for brush knee towards the front. Half step in. Put the left foot down. Swing in the right hand and right toes. Stand on the right foot. For a final brush knee and repulse the monkey to the left. Now leisurely tight pose. Left hand up, right foot back. Lower hand sink the weight. Turn the palm up as it comes in with the left foot. Stepping out as hand rises. Extend hand and step into the chop. Step back, raise left toes, circle only to about 11 o'clock. Back to about 1 o'clock. Square up to noon with the left wall and push. Right foot is forward. We stand on it. To just left foot forward for another open and close. Now we do brush knee to the left again. Bring in empty right toes. Hold the baby on your right hip. Look to the left. Step into a left bow stance. Brush knee. Half step in. Into the tight pose. Right foot back. Left hand up. Lower weight. Lower hand. Bring in left hand and foot. Raise the hand. Step with left foot. Chop to the front with a half step in. Step back, raise the left toe, circle only to about 11. Palm flips up, coming to 1. Square up to noon, step into a push towards the left wall. Right foot forward. Left foot forward. Make sure you're breathing. Open and close. Now single width back to the right. Stand on left foot. Right foot steps back in a bow stand. Shift weight right, push to the corner. Turn and open the left hand with the waist. Flip up left elbow, turn in left toes. Stand on left foot, face the right wall. Step with right foot into fist under elbow. Open your left fist, step back with left foot. Raise the left hand, right cat stance for repulse the monkey. Step to the back wall. Breath knee, half step. Stand on left foot. Swing up right hand and right toes come in. Stand on right foot. Look to the front. Step with left foot. Brush knee to the front. Half step in. Put your right foot down. Swing your left toes in. Your left hand comes up. Hold the baby. Facing the right wall, we step into a right bow stand. For a final brush knee. Knees to the tight pose. Right hand up. Left foot back. Lower hands. Lower weight. Bring in hands and foot on right side. Right hand up, right foot step. Right hand extends as you step into it. Each hand out, stand on left foot. Raise right toe, circle. Only as far as your waist can take you. Back to square up with right wall with push. Bring left heel into touch right. Stand on left foot at just right toes to corner. Hands at chest for another open. And then close. Now close your form. Gently forward from the heart. And then let the hands softly come down to the sides where they started. Stay still for a few moments. Relax. Breathe. Circulate chi. And then when you're ready, then move around how you wish. I hope this was a useful video for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beachside, QiGong, and Tai Chi. My name is Lea Williamson, and it's a pleasure to get to practice with you today.